Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare VSCode versus Neovim. We'll explore their fundamental differences, from their core philosophies to their target audiences. VSCode, a product of Microsoft, offers a comprehensive integrated development environment, while Neovim, a community-driven project, provides a highly extensible and efficient text editing experience. Understanding these distinctions is key to choosing the right tool for your coding journey. Getting started with these editors presents a clear contrast. VSCode provides an intuitive graphical user interface, allowing new users to become productive within mere minutes of installation. Neovim, however, demands a dedicated learning period due to its modal editing paradigm and configuration-centric approach. While the initial investment is higher, many find Neovim's efficiency rewarding in the long run. When it comes to customization and performance, these tools diverge significantly. Neovim offers unparalleled flexibility, allowing users to tailor nearly every aspect through Lua scripting and dot files. VSCode provides extensive customization via its marketplace of thousands of extensions, though within a more structured environment. Generally, Neovim boasts superior performance and consumes significantly fewer system resources, making it ideal for minimal setups. The ecosystems surrounding VSCode and Neovim are both robust, yet distinct. VSCode benefits from a massive extension marketplace and strong corporate backing, ensuring broad compatibility and frequent updates. Neovim thrives on its passionate, open-source community, which continuously develops innovative plugins and configurations. Both support a wide array of programming languages, but cater to different preferences for workflow and community engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.